mladi Jovan Ukropina.
Jojo was a man who thought he was a loner, but he knew it couldn't last. Jojo left his home in Tucson, Arizona, for some California grass.
Get back to where you once belonged. Get back to where you once belonged. Jojo was a man who thought he was a loner, but he knew it couldn't last. Jojo left his home in Tucson, Arizona, for some California grass. Get back to where you once belonged. Get back to where you once belonged. She was a woman, but she was another man. Only girls around her say she's got it coming, but she gets it while she can. Back to where you once belonged. Get back to where you once belonged. Go home, Jojo. Get back to where